All right, so next thing we're going to foam roll, we're going to get into our quads. So again, big muscle, going to need to spend a lot of time here. So we're going to go right on top of this. You can have this other leg off of the foam roller. So if you see here, you have this off the side. If this is too much of your body weight, you can put both of them on there together, but make sure you move your legs in and out to try to get different aspects. I like doing it just one leg, so you're going to be here, rolling through, all the way down to the knee. And again, you don't want to roll on top of your patella, right? You don't want to go on bone. We're just going as close to that as possible. Make sure you get a little bit of the outside. We're getting up higher as well. If you find a spot that's really tender, I want you to hold there, kind of contract, relax, and take your leg through its kind of normal range of motion. See if you can't get that to mobilize a little more. We'll get the other side. So let's start in the middle, work our way up and down. Turn the leg in, back out. Really trying to get after all that tissue. Bring the leg up, back down, a little contract and relax. So that's how we utilize the foam roller to get after the quads.